What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are making a southern summer staple, barbecue sandwich. More specifically, we are making a BBQ Seitan and crispy coleslaw sandwich. And we're not just using the barbecue sauce out of a bottle. We're making our own. In fact, it's called backyard barbecue sauce. But we're not making it in the backyard because it's really f***ing hot outside right now. So, as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is make our coleslaw. Now, we've already made this before, so if you're curious how to make it, you can check out the video right here. Wherever it is. It's really easy. And it should look like that. Alright, we've got one component down. Now let's start on the backyard barbecue sauce. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get a medium yellow onion. And dice it as finely as you can. If you get a Vidalia onion, you get bonus points. Mince 4 garlic cloves. Grab a saucepan, put it on a medium heat, throw in your vegetable oil. Let's place our onions in the pan, and we're going to saute this until it's browned, about 7 minutes. Once these are browned, add your garlic, and you're going to saute that for 1 more minute. Open up your 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Add that. Now add sugar, salt, white vinegar, molasses, and your crushed red pepper flakes. Now we're going to leave out our mustard and our liquid smoke, so we're going to add that after we cook this down a bit. See big pockets of molasses sneaking around in there, so make sure you mix it well. So we're going to cook this down at least a half an hour. You want all the flavors to start marrying each other. So that's how we do in my kitchen. Alright, you want to leave this uncovered, check on it, stir it every now and then, let it do its thing. Fun fact! The city of Chicago was actually named after garlic. Native Americans actually coined the word that word, which means wild garlic. And that was because there was an abundance of wild garlic all over Chicago. In ancient Greece, brides carried bouquets of garlic and herbs instead of flowers. That sounds like my kind of wedding. As you probably know, garlic is one of the healthiest things you can eat. One of its uses is to thin blood, similarly to how aspirin works. But it's toxic to cats and dogs, so never ever feed them to your pets. This has been cooking for a little over a half an hour. It has reduced a little bit, smelling quite nice. And we're gonna add our mustard and our liquid smoke. Now it really smells like barbecue sauce. That liquid smoke is just, Now you wanna cook this for about 5 more minutes, then we're gonna taste test it just to see if it needs to be tweaked a little bit. In the meantime, grab a cast iron grill pan, like so, and preheat it over a medium heat, because we're going to be using this to sear our seitan strips. While this is preheating, go ahead and apply some peanut oil.
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen. The smoke alarm silenced in the kitchen.
I haven't even cooked anything on it yet. That is a nice... Actually, you know what? I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to tell you that it tastes fine. Now it says in the book that if you want to leave this sauce just like it is, that's fine. But if you like a more smooth consistency, you can use an immersion blender or just put it in a regular blender in batches. Take our barbecue sauce, put it in a ply plate or a pie plate. And we're going to leave that right there because we're going to add our seitan strips, let them soak in there after we cook them a little bit. Once your cast iron skillet is heated up, you want to grab some seitan. You can be lazy like me and grab a box, or you can be awesome like me and make it, like I did in a previous video. Either way, you want to slice them into 1/2-inch strips. Place the strips on the grill, and you're going to want to cook these on each side for about 3 minutes. And make sure to coat them with peanut oil after you put them on the grill. Alright, I think we're done with the first batch. We're going to stick these into the barbecue sauce and repeat. Put a little more peanut oil on this, and we're going to make sure to toss these Then we're gonna stick them back on the grill. Grill them a little bit on each side, and you'll know they're done when they've browned a bit and crisped. While the rest of that is cooking, grab your coleslaw from the fridge, get your buns out, and if you so care, grab some vegan mayonnaise. Now we assemble. Now the buns I am using are onion rolls actually. You can use anything you want, but who doesn't love an onion roll? Let's try it. All right, I have a feeling this is gonna be messy, but you know what? It's what barbecue is. The creaminess of the coleslaw with the yumminess of the BBQ Seitan is really good. You can't go wrong with this sandwich. If you like a good barbecue sandwich, this is it. Barbecue sauce is a great balance between a little bit of spicy, a little bit of sweetness. Of course, if you want it to be spicier, add some more red pepper flakes to it. All right, this is delicious. I'm gonna eat the rest of it. I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this. I know I did. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. What's going on?
Heads up, there's smoke in the kitchen.
Oh my God. Don't move it.